feeling so great. Last night I didn't exactly go to sleep. I kinda had a little bit to drink, and then I don't know how, but eventually everyone got me to try to dance, which is like I have to be really tipsy to actually dance. Um, so we just moved the tent, and they're putting up a big jumping castle in the back. It's part of the birthday boys thing. I had to hang up all my clothes because they got wet from the rain, and now I just decided that I'm gonna go for a walk. This is where I am. I think, yeah, it's a girl. Come, girl. Hey, girl. And looking at the animals, I just passed by a horse, sheep, and over here there's cows, but I've also realized something really cool. It's just, there's not just cows, there's something else as well, which surprises me. These are cows. Cows. There's a cute one. It's black and white, like a milk cow. And then there's zebra, guys. Like in the middle of like a herd of cattle, there's zebra, like randomly there. So I just feel like talking a bit. I'm just sitting here where these cows are. I'm so grateful for everything in my life right now. Like, honestly, like I travel a lot and I move around a lot, and like a lot of the time, like I used to feel like why can't I just, like, you know, stay in one place? Why do I have to go back and forth all over the show, have my family in different countries and everything? But like now I realize how absolutely amazing it is that I can just get up and go to any place that I want to go to, and just be in a completely, from one environment to a completely different environment, just like that, sitting by myself in the middle of a field, in the middle of nowhere, like somewhere in South Africa, and I'm looking at cows and zebra, and I'm watching a guy on a horse herd sheep. Overseas in Malaysia and Kuwait, I never got this. Like, I got different things. In Botswana, I also got something different. But I'm sitting in a field with zebra. Like, how awesome is it? Look. They're just there, like. So, while I've been gone, they put up the big tent. And that is pretty big. That's nice. So, right now I am in the bathrooms that are provided to everyone. It's like in this little caravan thing, and the ladies' bathroom has a mirror and a basin, gents' bathroom, and on the other side I think it's the same thing. I haven't gone to the other side. And then this is the shower. I took a shower this morning, though I think I'm gonna have to take 2 showers today because it's blooming hot, and it's actually really nice. So this is my sleeping place, and these are my niece's little beds, and this is where I'm going to be sleeping. I just need to open this sleeping bag. Really tired, and it's hot. It's really hot, but I'm just gonna have a nap and we're going in a helicopter. And I was like, what? And then I went and I got in a helicopter. And that was absolutely amazing. Like, I just got this huge rush. I'm so tired, like, look at me. Like, I'm so freaking tired. I don't know. I'm just so freaking... That was awesome. That was amazing. And just so happens that the person who owns this farm also has a helicopter on the farm, so he was giving everybody like free rides and stuff, which is just really nice. She's like, hey guys, so Francesca and I, well, mainly Francesca, she did an amazing job at cleaning up the tent, the big tent, which we're gonna sleep in, because my other niece just threw her clothes everywhere. There were clothes everywhere, but anyway, what is this? This is mosquito repellent. Yeah, anyway. So this is the cute little light that we have in the tent, and we have another one over there in the corner.
We keep banging our heads on this one.
We keep hitting our heads on this one, so I don't know, we need to watch out for this light. And yeah, so you can't really see anything because it's really dark. I didn't really sleep well because it was so hot, but it's cooled down now, and it's pretty weird because there's a storm coming, so I guess we're going to be sleeping throughout the rain, lightning and thunder. But
and they're setting fireworks again tonight.
And they're setting fireworks tonight again. I'm gonna go shower because I need to shower. So I had dinner and we had a few drinks and everything, and it turns out that tonight I'm going to be sleeping alone in this huge tent, which you can't see right now because it's too dark. But I'm going to be sleeping by myself because my nieces fell asleep in our friend's house. So yeah, I'm going to be sleeping by myself. It's going to be creepy as hell, but it's okay, you know. It's not creepy at all, but I'll be fine. Great day, and